Hey everybody, this weekend I did something fun with my DJI Air 3S, and that was helping out filming a dance video for this dance group called the Uni Vibe Academy. It's a dance group we have been working together with at my day job multiple times, so I thought I'd just help them out with grabbing some cool shots with my drone. They found this cool place that is actually a water tower with all of these pillars and this huge ring on top of the pillars. So it's a pretty cool place and a perfect place to film a dance video like this. This day it was very windy and very cold. As you can see, they're really struggling with keeping their warmth. But I mean, it's so nice to see and meet people that really have a passion for what they do and don't mind some discomfort and honestly suffer a little bit for what they want to accomplish. So I have all the respect for these girls. And I can also relate because when it comes to my own filmmaking, sometimes it's hard, it's cold, you get exhausted, but you just keep on going because yeah, you just push on and ignore the pain. Eventually I got my drone up and I flew around to get some test shots to be able to present for the creative team, but they had all the shots figured out, so I basically just got the shots that they wanted. Here's one shot I tried. I'm up at 120 meters here, but I still couldn't fit the entire ring inside of my frame there. But here's a shot that I really liked. When these pillars are moving across the frame like this, I thought that would be a very cool thing to do. After a while it was time to film with the drone, so we cleared the area and made sure that we only saw the dancers in the frame. And we got a shot looking like this where we approached them very fast while they're dancing. And I thought that was a very cool shot. Then we did a pretty standard shot right above them, but it was pretty cool that they arranged themselves in a circle like this. Now we are at an angle to the dance group, also a cool shot. I like how the sun is backlighting them here, casting all of these long shadows. But then the sun went down over the horizon, so we get this overcast. It's a little bit more boring without the sun, but we had to do. Here I'm using the 70mm. I just love that telephoto lens. So to wrap up this video, it was very fun for me to help these girls out, and I love to see the results. The video is going to be released in December, so I will link to their YouTube channel down below. Make sure you go in and watch it. That's all I have for now. I will see you in the next one. Bye!